Hulu rumors abound. Hey guys, before you get started, make sure you click that subscribe button, and if you don't ring that bell, you won't get any updates. Hey guys, we got a couple more rumors regarding Hulu's upcoming Marvel series. Now if you remember, about a week ago, Hulu announced that both Ghost Rider and Hellstrom would be added to the streaming service. And then there was a follow-up rumor that suggested that the Daywalker himself, Blade, will be part of this rollout. Now we've got a couple more rumors, including an additional character, and maybe some idea of where this is going. Although it wasn't announced with Ghost Rider and Hellstrom, it is rumored that the character Glyph is also going to receive a solo television series. If you're unaware of who the character is, Glyph, aka Nadid Hassan, is a teenager with the ability to summon ancient Egyptian spirits who made her first appearance in Howling Commandos back in 2015. Along with Ghost Rider, Blade, and Hellstrom, she definitely fits into the more supernatural side of the Marvel Universe. Additionally, her ties to Egyptian spirits could be a great way of introducing the character Moon Knight, a long fan favorite. Although he's not on the list of rumored characters, he would fit in perfectly here. So where are they taking us with this? Well, again, this is all rumors and we don't have any actual confirmation from Hulu themselves. Really the only thing that makes it official. But the standing rumor we're hearing is that all of this is leading to Midnight Suns. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Midnight Suns, they were originally a team in the comics which included Hellstrom, Jennifer Kale, Morbius, Werewolf by Night, Doctor Strange, and Ghost Riders Danny Keech and Johnny Blaze. The team itself made its first appearance back in 1992 in Ghost Rider number 28, and in the comics served as a crossover event covering several titles. Then again, in 2017, the team was revived, this time featuring Moon Knight, Blade, Ghost Rider, Doctor Strange, and Hannibal King. As you can see, several of these characters have already been announced by Hulu, and it would make a lot of sense for them to try to do a Defenders-style team-up, although hopefully this time with more success. So what do you guys think? Are you ready for Midnight Suns on Hulu? And what do you think about getting a segment of the Marvel Universe completely built around horror-based characters? Sounds pretty cool to me. Tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure you press like below, click subscribe, and if you don't ring that bell, you won't get any updates. Peace.